Hello, friends. I hope you are doing great. Welcome to an exciting walk from Iran and the Mausoleum of Saadi, the Iranian poet in the city of Shiraz. Saadi, known as the Master of Speech and Sheikh-e Ajal, whose Kulliyat-e Saadi includes Golistan, Bustan, and his ghazals, are among his works. His works have been a source of teaching the Persian language in schools for years, and many proverbs have been derived from his writings. This mausoleum was built by Muhammad Foroughi, an Iranian architect, and was inaugurated in 1952 with the presence of Mohammad Reza Shah and Dr. Hesabi. The structure of the mausoleum is cube-shaped on the outside but octagonal on the inside, and the walls are made of marble and lapis lazuli. The gravestone is made of a pale red porphyry stone, inscribed with verses from Bustan in Nastaliq script. The Mausoleum of Shurideh Shirazi, who was a blind poet from the Qajar era, is located behind Saadi's mausoleum. Now that you've come this far in the video, I'm sure you'll be amazed in the next parts, so please give it a like. Around the mausoleum, there are handicraft and souvenir stalls. Which Iranian souvenir do you like the most? Here is also one of the most popular sections called the Fish Pond, whose water comes from the Saadi qanat, and its story is interesting. The fish pond is octagonal in shape, and its interior tiling in Seljuk style was designed in 1993. In the old days, the people of Shiraz, as well as young women on the eve of marriage, would bathe in the water of the Saadi qanat on the night of Chaharshanbe Suri for health and good fortune. Here is also the fish pond, where even today, people throw coins into it and make wishes. We would be happy if you comment your thoughts for us up to this moment so we can continue to watch the next parts together. Around the mausoleum, there are gardens and tall cypress trees, which is why this part is called the Cypress Garden, and it is very peaceful and pleasant. Friends, where would you like our next videos from Iran to be? Comment for us. In this part, we also see the Saadi qanat, which is part of the ancient Iranian water engineering heritage. Thank you for being with us and watching with love. If you enjoyed this video, we'd be happy if you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. Goodbye.